Pyodide empower Python developers to enter the world of web development. These are poised to complement JavaScript and unlock new possibilities in the browser. In this video, we will watch a few use cases where Python code done for educational project is being run on a web page which has Pyodide embedded with HTML and JavaScript. Python code is dragged and dropped in the code area. The white box below is the area for giving any inputs if required. Run code will execute the Python code. The two gray rectangle area are for outputs, one for text output and the other one below is for plot outputs. This is another use case. Python code is dragged and dropped in the code area and run. You will see the text output, followed by plot output, below. The output, to appear, will take a few seconds to minutes, depending on the Python code complexity and the device in which you are running. Thanks for watching this video.